Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I want to talk to you about SEO, search engine optimization for product pages. So if you are running a dropshipping store or an e-commerce store, and if you want to have organic traffic to your product, so this video should be very helpful for you, because organic traffic is the best traffic you can get, because you don't have to pay for ads or specific campaigns. So SEO, organic traffic is always the best when somebody searches for a specific product or a product category on Google or Bing or whatever search engine they are using. So then our goal with SEO is that our product will be shown in the organic search results. And of course, this is the best because we don't have to pay for this. We only have to optimize our pages, and then our product pages or our category pages are shown in the search results. And I think that is the biggest goal. So because the more traffic you get, the higher your conversion rate gets, and or you can optimize the conversion rate with traffic. So if you don't have any traffic, then of course it's pretty hard to optimize your conversion rate. And of course, so like I said, with SEO, search engine optimization for product pages, we can save money because we don't have to pay for ad campaigns. And this is what I want to show you in this video. So I made a quick presentation here, and by the way, if you want to have this PDF, I will put the link to this PDF in the video description down below. So if you are interested, then you can download this PDF, because I will insert some helpful and important links in this PDF, and then download the PDF, and then you can click on the links in the PDF. So then let's get started. So by the way, I currently building a new dropshipping store here. There are some issues here. You can see this is a little bit too close. I have to modify the CSS, but I want to show you this store or this page as an example. So then let's get started. And the first is the keyword strategy. If you want to rank your product or your product page or your category page for a specific keyword, then of course it makes sense to figure out which keywords are not that competitive, and optimize your product page for this specific keyword. So here you can see I have two free keyword tools you can use. So for example, you can use Ahrefs. So they have a free keyword tool, the Keyword Explorer from Ahrefs. Here you can see you can enter your keyword if you want to optimize for Bing or YouTube, Amazon, and then the country, and then you can search for free here. And of course, you can use the Google Keyword Planner tool. This is also a free keyword tool you can use. It is really handy because you are working with the real Google data. So this is really nice. It is also free. And then, make sure. So in my case, I want to sell dash cams on this store, or this store is specific made for dash cams, car dash cams. Then, you can, or in my case, I can figure out which keyword I can target to, get eyeballs on my product page. So this is my first tip. Then let's go to the next tip. So the next tip is optimize titles and meta descriptions. And this is really important, because meta descriptions and the meta titles, this is what Google will show in the search results, and I think this should be optimized. So let's go to my product page here, and for this specific product I kinda optimized the title tag and the meta description. Let's go down here. So if you're having a WordPress or WooCommerce store, it's pretty easy to modify the title tag and the meta description. All you have to do, or in my case, I use Yoast SEO for this, and this is with Yoast. It is really easy. So here you can see this is the Yoast SEO tab, and here you can see the slug. You can modify the slug if you want. Of course, it is better to make it the shorter, the better it is. And yeah, try to include keywords. Here you can see car dash cam. I included car dash cam and the properties of the product, 1080p, night vision, G sensor, and here you can see I can modify the SEO title, the product title tag, and here is the meta description where I can put in my custom meta description. So this meta description is a little bit long. I have to shorten it a little bit, but yeah, for now it's okay. But here you can see how easy it is to modify the title tag and the meta description, especially if you're working with WooCommerce and then yeah, also with Yoast SEO. So and here also you can see the preview of the Google snippet. So when somebody searches for, in my case, for dash cams, for car dash cams, then here you can see what they will see. So they will see the image, and then they will see the title tag, what they get when they click here, and then then here is the meta description. I think this is really good. And yeah, so this is what you have to optimize. This is really important. Then let's go to the next. The next is optimizing the category description. I think this is really helpful for Google and all the other search engines to optimize your product category, to index your category description, and so then Google knows exactly what you are selling in the specific product category. Let me show you. Open this in a new tab, and here you can see. Let's wait a little. Here you can see that is not dashcam. Dashcam for cars. There it is. Here you can see what I have done so far for this product category. So here you can see in this category there are all my dashcam for cars, and here you can see I have made a short description on the top where I explain what this category is all about. And then if we go to the end, here is a very long description. So this description is also SEO optimized, and I want to yeah, show what this product category is all about. And I think this is really good, because then Google and all the other search engines really understand what this product category is all about. And yeah, so it is, like I said, if you are using WooCommerce, then it is really easy to make this here. And yeah, so then let's go to the next card. And the next card is write unique product descriptions. I don't know why I have put in here meta description, but this is all about product descriptions. So you can see, of course, the more detailed your product description is, the better. So if you only have images, then it's pretty hard to rank, because Google cannot see the image. Google can only index text or can read text. So make sure to write a unique product description. Here you can see I have a short description of the product. And then if we go a little bit down to the real product description, then here you can see here's the detailed, here's a very detailed product description, a short introduction to the product, a headline, and then here we have the key features of the product. And yeah, then we have more information about the product. And I think yeah, the more details you give in text form, the better it is, because yeah, user, of course, the real user can read it, and also the various search engine can read the text, what the specific product is all about, and all the features of the product, and this is really important. So of course, and if you are, so in my case, this is a dropshipping store. I import all the products from AliExpress, and of course AliExpress doesn't have any detailed and good product description. So in my case, I have to write the product description myself, or in this case, I use AI, and this is really helpful. But yeah, so the more detailed your product description are, the better. So then let's go to our next card, and the next card is if you have share real testimonials and customer reviews. So if you have already customers, and then try to get reviews for your product, because reviews are really important to build trust with potential buyers. In my case, I don't have any reviews yet, so there are some tools that can auto-generate reviews for you. Maybe you can use this, or you can wait if you get reviews. But in general said, if you have reviews, then make sure to show them in the product description. And because reviews always build trust, and of course, good reviews build trust. So try to get reviews for your product. So, and the next card is use high quality videos and images on your product. Of course, because we are running an online store and the customers cannot get their hands on the product, and when the customer is in the store, they can touch the product and see the product from every angle. And so we are running an online store, so potential customers cannot touch the specific item, and they only can see the images or videos. And it is really important that you include high quality images in your product description and also in the product gallery on top here, so that they can see exactly what they are getting, and so they can see every button in my case. And so make sure to make really good or include really good product images and videos, and also GIF images. If you can make GIF images, it's really good. So then let's go to the next step, and the next step is minimizing the page load speed. So if somebody is searching for a product and clicks on your link, and then the page takes 20 seconds to load or even longer, then it's not a good user experience. So make sure you optimize your website or your e-commerce store for loading speed. And here I included some really good tools. So this is my own tool, SEO Audit. And let me show you. Here you can see this is my tool. I will put the link to this tool in the video description. Down below you can see exactly how fast or slow your website is, and how to improve your loading speed. You can see in my case, my website is not the fastest, so I have to work on the page speed. And also you can use GTmetrix. GTmetrix is of course a perfect tool. You can input your URL. It's completely free, and also my tool is completely free as well. And also for GTmetrix, I will put the link in the video description. And here you can input the URL, and then GTmetrix tells you everything, what element is loading on your website, why is your website slow, what you can optimize. This is a really great tool. So make sure that your website is really fast, and that they have a really good user experience, because nobody likes to wait 20 seconds for a page to load, because then they will bounce and they will go back to Google and search the next store, because nobody likes to wait for a page to build. And then my next and last tip is audit your product page for technical issues, or your product page and also the whole page for technical issues. So if there is some technical issues, this is not a good signal to Google and to all the other search engines. Make sure that your website is completely free of errors. And for this my tool is perfect because it tells you everything what's going on your website from a technical side. Here you can see I have some issues with my images because I am missing some alt description. I have to fix this. Yeah, you can see if you have an XML sitemap, robot.txt, and maybe if you have other issues, then this tool will tell you exactly what you have to fix to optimize your website. And like I said, I would put the video, the links to all the tools in the video description down below. And also you can download this PDF if you want to have it on your PC and or want to print it out or want to give it away or something like that, then you can do it. And yeah, so that's it. That are my tips to optimize your product SEO. And if you want to rank higher, want to utilize SEO, organic search engine optimization, then you can follow my tips and optimize your store to get more organic traffic to your website. So if you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to press the like button. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.